So today we're going to show you the installation method for the Sturdi Wall 60 universal bracket from Perma-Column. This bracket is ICC certified, 100% engineered and American made. So let's see how this thing installs. So you're first going to lay out your post just like you would any other bracket. So you're going to square it up based on your post dimensions. This one's a little unique. It only has one side to it. So we're going to measure our post dimension to get our correct measurement off of the center line. So we're going to measure 4.5 inches because we're using a 3-ply 2x6 column. Once we get our measurements made, we're going to set our bracket in place, ensuring that we stay 1/4 inch off the face of the concrete, because this bracket measures 5 inches, whereas our column is 5.5 inches in dimension. So once we get the bracket in place, we're going to mark our holes. So that way whenever we're getting ready to pre-drill, we're ready to go there. Remove the bracket, and we're ready to start drilling the holes. So every bracket comes with a hardware kit. The hardware 60 is for the SW60 bracket. The drill set bracket, we supply a 5/8 by 6 inch concrete anchor. Refer to the design manual for additional concrete anchors that are approved by the Perma-Column manufacturer. So this requires a 5/8 inch concrete drill bit and hammer drill to install this product. So once I've determined what I need, I'm going to grab my concrete drill and I'm going to begin drilling in the center of my hole. I'm just going to center it up with the marks I've already made and begin drilling. So once you have your hole drilled in the concrete, make sure that you've got all the concrete powder out of the hole so that you make sure that your screw is seated all the way in. From here we're going to go and set our bracket in place, ensuring that we're marked up or lined up with our original measurements, ensuring that we're 1/4 inch off as well. Then we're going to set our concrete screw in the hole. Okay, we've also got an impact gun that we're going to use to set this anchor. With that, we're now set. We do have some play in and out. If we happen to have got our measurement or a hole in the wrong spot, we can loosen this back up, shift our bracket one way or the other for minor adjustments before we set our column. Along with the bracket comes a hardware kit that also includes 2 bolts for connection to the actual column, as well as the screws that help hold the column as well. So with every Sturdi Wall 60 bracket comes a hardware kit. In this case, the hardware 60 DS. You need to specify when ordering your bracket what the dimension is of your column. So for instance, on a 3-ply 2x6, we're going to send you a 1/2 by 6 inch carriage bolt. We assume that you're going to use it as a single, and so you'll need the carriage bolt to be on the wood face. In some applications, some people will use 2 of these in a pair, and in that case we need to send you a hex bolt rather than a carriage bolt. So just some things to consider when ordering this product. So now that our column is in place, we've got it where we want it, we've made sure that we're flush with our concrete face, we're going to begin by installing the 1/4 by 3 inch lag screws that come with this bracket. So using my impact driver, I've got a 5/16 socket that I'll use to fasten my 1/4 by 3 screw. So with the Sturdi Wall 60, there's 2 1/4 by 3 lag screws. And so I'm going to begin by setting these to hold my bracket in place. So once I have my 1/4 by 3 screws in, I'm going to take a 1/2 inch wood drill bit to drill through my wood column. So I'm gonna take my 1/2 inch by 6 inch carriage bolts. I'm gonna put them through the wood side. Once I've seated those in place, I'll go back to the other side and fasten with my 1/2 inch nut. So now that I've gotten my nuts installed on my 1/2 inch carriage bolt, I've got my 4x3 lag screws installed, my Sturdi 60 bracket is securely fastened to my column. Build better, build stronger, build to last.